Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Sensei Vegan. Thank you so much for joining me this fine evening. Hope everyone had a wonderful day. And this video is about, and my light just goes off. But you know what? I'm gonna keep on rolling, and I'm gonna fix it. There we go. We have some difficulties, some technical difficulties, but I'm gonna keep on rolling anyway, and this is staying in the video. If you're into health, fitness, bikes, cars, I'm talking living life to the fullest, living life on the edge every day, just doing what you want to do. This channel is for you. Subscribe today. There's a big old buzz going on line right now on YouTube about the vegetable police, Casey, that he is quitting veganism. Okay? And my opinion on this is he is a effing grown man and he can do what he wants to do. It's that simple. It's his choice. And I see people getting in this big uproar. Oh my goodness, he's abandoning the vegan community and blah, blah, all this stuff. Look, man, let him do what he has to do to get himself well. It is his choice. You know, nobody can tell him what to do. People can give him advice. That's completely fine. But in the end, it boils down to what he wants to do. I like his channel. He seems like a pretty cool dude. He has some hilarious content. His content is funny, man. Every time I watch his videos, I'm just sitting there laughing. But I wish him well. I hope he gets his health together. I think he's having some issues, as he would say, in his gut region. You know, as he does, like in his gut. He got to get his gut together. So Casey, get your gut health together. And that's it, man. Keep doing what you're doing, cranking out the videos. I wish you well. And yeah, dude, I'm going to stay in your corner. You got to sort a few things out, you know, and do what you got to do. So it's that simple, man. I just tell people, look, don't be so quick to judge people. From the videos that I watched anyway, he didn't say that he abandoned. He's just trying to sort some things out. So there you have it. That's my thought on it. I'm like I said, I stay out this stuff. Like I said, I make my content, I put it up there, but I'm not going to bash anybody. Who am I to judge? I always tell people, don't be so quick to judge people, you know. So anyway, thank y'all for joining me. I'm Sensei Vegan. Hello, good night. And Casey, get your gut health together, bro. All right, later. Sensei Vegan out. Peace.